how to activate Ubisoft key. So this is actually Ubisoft Connect that we're using because this is the only way for you to be able to activate any games available on Ubisoft Connect that you can activate on that specific platform. Now, for you to be able to download this, just simply open up any available web browser on your laptop or PC, and then just simply type in Ubisoft Connect. So it is usually located at the very first result if you're using Google Chrome. Click on the first one so that you will be redirected to Ubisoft Connect official website. So in here, for you to be able to download this, just simply click on the download link, usually located at the top. Now click on download Ubisoft Connect and then just simply install it on your device. Now you can create an account using Facebook, um, PSN, Twitch, or any available platform that is associated with Ubisoft Connect. Once you've logged in successfully, this is going to be your dashboard in Ubisoft Connect. To activate or to enter your activation key, just simply click on your username and then go into key activation. Now, your activation code actually looks something like this. So if you enter it on the space right here, make sure that it is in all capital letters or characters. That's it. And that is how you activate a key on Ubisoft.